everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at the new 72 spring colored pencils from Castle Arts. Now, there's been some confusion about what these are, and I don't blame anyone who's confused because Castle Art has not been super helpful. But, you know, for a while there, they had these 24 and 48 count curated sets. Now, those curated sets were actually pulled from the 120 count Soft Touch series, so their original colored pencils. So it was just a curated set, but it was still these same pencils. Now, they came out with this one here, and so a lot of people were like, well, okay, we're doing this again, just another curated set. Well, that's not actually the case. So, this is, oh, there's something inside there. This is 72 new colors. Now, they said they're new. That said, once I finish swatching and doing my whole thing, I'm going to pull out my 120 count Soft Touch so you guys can kind of look and we'll see how many similarities they are. But also, I kind of want to see how they feel in comparison. But yes, as you're probably wondering, one, how did they make 72 new colors when they have 120 already? There's going to be some overlap. It's impossible to really branch out. Now, this is the Spring Seasons collection, so I'm sure you could already guess that there's probably going to be a summer, fall, and winter, and the color palette is, oh, yep, you guessed it, meant to mimic that season. So, 72 colored pencils and a fresh spring palette, so let's take a look. Oh, it's a hinged lid. Always appreciate that. Okay. First things first, we have 6 coloring sheets. Now, I'll do a full review on these later. Oh, it tells you what you got in here. You can buy the spring coordinating book on their website and Amazon. I'm not really a fan of this artwork, though. Okay, here you go. So they kind of talk a bit more about the spring colored pencils, but also the coloring book you can get for it. And let's see, this is just their general universal product guide. It comes in every single product that you get from them. And right here, they even break this down, which is kind of nice. So you'll see the Soft Touch colored pencils, the watercolor metallic set, Harmonious, which I have and I still need to combine, pastel tints. This is their gold range, which is the oil-based colors. Now, sorry, these ones are the gold range. It's the way the line is going. But here's the pastel tint, the Harmonious. So you see those are like a solid color barrel where the old Soft Touch was black with a color dipped end. This is the gold range, which is their oil-based. I actually prefer those. Now this is their woodless watercolor. I have yet to play with those, but I keep meaning to, and I will eventually. All right, so this is just kind of a tutorial. Like they have this. I'm gonna do dragonflies, but look, now we have our 72 spring colors, fresh spring colors. They're gonna have different names. So like I'm looking at the names just real quick. Yeah, so none of the names like technically overlap, but that does not necessarily mean the colors themselves are not going to overlap, right? Okay. Ooh, I'm so happy they gave me a swatch chart because what I prefer to do is swatch on the free chart they give and then make my own later. You also have the colors in here. It looks like they're not really in any blending or color family order, but we'll see when we actually swatch them. And we gotta pull this. Why is that so hard to get off there? Okay. Oh my gosh, are these in order? They're not. The joys. So, I'll be all over the place. Now, these are solid colored barrels, but so are the pastel tint and the Harmonious. It seems they're going away from the black with the color dipped end, but the pencil seems about the same. So we'll kind of see, but the whole point is to have soft lilacs, pinks, meadow greens. They are in this cheap bin here. But we will see how these bad boys turn out. Now, one thing I want you to keep in mind is these are the solid pencils, but these are not oil-based, so they are going to be wax-based. Now, Again, all pencils have a combo of both, so when anytime you hear wax-based, that means wax-leaning, more predominantly wax than oil. So they're going to fall in line similar to the Harmonious, Metallic, Pastel Tint, but this could be fun. I want to see how these look. I kind of want to compare them to the 120 set of the Soft Touch when we're done, and this is just a first impressions, and then I'm going to spend some time, because it is spring for the next month and a half. I'll color a few pages. Let me know if you want to see a live stream where I'm coloring with them. And also, one lucky winner, if you make it all the way to the end, will win a set of these to, well, play around with. But let's get swatching. So let me get set up. Okay, like I said, they are not in color order like with the chart. But I want to show you how it says on the pencil. It says seasons, and then the season is right here. It's got a number and a name, lime green. I am going to do a little sharpening. I'm not going to sharpen every single one. We'd be here until next century. But it's always nice to sharpen one or two. When I do a full test, that's when we really worry about it. Okay, so lime green. That would be this one here. I'm talking right now, but I'm actually going to go silent here in a minute. I'll put on some music or something, and then you just can enjoy the quiet yet sped up version of me swatching these, because otherwise we will be here a while. So I always like to start heavily at the front of my box, see like I'm doing here, and then I kind of fade it out. And yes, they are soft. They're actually quite smooth. Now, are they as smooth as the pastel tint? No, but the pastel tint are rich with white added to them, so you need to keep that in mind. So this is spring green. Oh, we're jumping over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to put this on a speed up mode, so you can just watch me swatch, and then we'll meet up and talk about the colors, and then we'll compare. as you can see, these don't swatch very well on the provided swatch charts, but this is actually the paper. So now that I have them swatched out, I'll make my own color family order, but it's still a good array of springish colors, lots of pinks, a good selection of blues. So what I did is I took my old premium soft touch chart out. Now, there's going to be some overlap somewhere, like, okay, here we go. Rose pink lines up with azalea pink. Honestly, this baby pink, or actually no, even this orchid, they're both pretty close to lavender light. Mauve here, this cotton candy color is actually really spot on. Let's see, duck egg blue, that one might actually be unique. It is. But like soft azure, that one lines up with these guys here. So obviously there's going to be some overlap, right? I mean, we're going to see them, especially like these colors here lining in. So is it 72 unique colors? No, but I think I can see what they're doing. They want these curated sets and they'll call them new colors. And yeah, most of them are new. A lot of them though are going to be very similar. Even like apple green here matches up with castle green light. So here's the thing though, like I said, you can only make so many colors. Now, if they're going to do 72 of each season, summer, I'd be curious what we would see because there's so many oranges and yellows already in here. I'm assuming there will be more deep oranges, probably some more blues, not totally sure. And then fall, obviously we'll get like more darker purples maybe and reds. But you know, 72 times 4, you do the math, plus the 120 count, because these do perform exactly like the soft touch pencils. Now, we have Color and Brute Fooner, all who have 500 plus pencils, so can it be done? Yes. But I guarantee by the end of this, by the end of these 72 count collections, and then you have your original 120, when you actually sit there and put them all together, which I'll do gladly once they're all actually done, you will quickly notice you have something very close to one another, kind of like with my Brute Fooners. Let's see if I can find that chart. So these are the 520 Brute Fooners. Yes, 520 pencils, but look how close they are. So like if you run out of number 250, it's fine. This whole row could like replace it. So that's what I see happening here. They're not necessarily all unique. Some of them are pretty close to colors you would already have in your 120 count set, with maybe a teeny tiny bit of a shade variation. But that's, like I said, you really can only make so many colors, and then from there it's a very slight change. So I am going to color a page or two with these. One thing I would like to note, I usually do a portrait and a page when I'm reviewing pencils, and I was looking through and there are some colors I could probably get away with using for skin tone. It would be rough though. I'm missing a few peaches, but I might try it. But regardless, I'll be coloring with them and doing a full review, and then I'm actually going to redo the swatch chart. So the spring ones I'm going to put in color family order here, and then as each season comes on, I'll make a chart for each one, and then I will combine all of them with the 120 when they're all out. But so far, not bad. I mean, they really do perform swatch-wise, like the soft touch, so I'd like to see how they color. I'd like to see how this palette works when this is all I've got. So it'll be kind of fun to play with, but already I can tell you this is way too many yellows. I was sitting there like, oh, that's a lot of yellow. So I'm really hoping the next few sets don't have more yellows, but again, if they're doing 72, you're going to have, similar to that 520 Brute Fooners, lots of overlap. Let me know if you grabbed these, what you're thinking so far, if you've been coloring with them. I will be playing with them for the next week or so, and I will have a review up very soon. Now, to get into the giveaway. Well, first things first, there will be an entry form, and you will need to fill out the form entirely, which will be linked below. You must be a subscriber of my channel, You must be over the age of 18. You must be able to receive a shipment from Amazon US because that's where these will be coming from. So sorry if you do not. Now, to enter, aside from filling out the form, you must comment below with what your favorite spring flower or spring bloom is, or favorite flower in general, but preferably in the spring spectrum. As you can see, they have a lot of floral names. Oh, sorry for the noise. So I would love to hear that. Just for a fun fact, peonies are my favorite. But I would love to know your favorite spring bloom below, but also please do comment if you've gotten these, what you think. Are you excited that they're doing these curated sets? I kind of am. It's kind of fun to have like seasonal sets, but I do really want to see how they turn out, and I'm going to be playing with them. Now, I will tell you right now, I did not like the soft touch. I never felt that they were soft to the touch there, but I'm hoping these will do better. And like I said, ignore some of the splotchies. This is just the paper for the swatch chart. It's like awful. So we will see how these turn out. All right, well, good luck on the giveaway. The rules will all be below. Just make sure you follow those. And until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.